Indian secularism says that the state respects all the religions, R1, R2, R3 up to Rn. India is a multi-religious country. So the state respects all the religions equally and does not uphold any one particular religion as state religion. You get that? In India, secularism is different from the West. In West, the state is separated from the church, or there is no upholding of any one particular religion by the state, and the state will not allow any religion to interfere in its domain. Complete separation of state and church is secularism in the West. Whereas in India, secularism means that the state respects all the religions equally and does not uphold any one particular religion as state religion. Also, India gives freedom of religion as a fundamental right. Do you understand that? And that is not only given to individuals, but to groups as well. Do you understand that? So it shows that India does not have any kind of animosity towards religion. Because you tell me one thing, if a person believes in religion, should we allow that person to believe in religion or not? If somebody does not believe in religion, should we allow him also? Yes. So whatever one believes in, let that person believe. That is democracy. Do you get that? That is civilized society. One may believe that there is God, one may believe there is no God, one may believe there is one God, one may believe there are multiple gods, one may believe there is no God and there is no universe, no afterlife, one may believe there is afterlife. Everybody should have their own beliefs. Do you understand that? And that's what India says, that religion, whatever you want to uphold, is your fundamental right. You can have that right, okay? And the state respects all religions equally and does not uphold any one particular religion as state religion. So here it seems that the state is anti-religious. Do you understand that? But India is not religious. India is not irreligious. India is also not anti-religious. India is just non-religious. Do you understand that? India does not uphold any one particular religion as state religion. तो एक तो state का कोई religion नहीं है, दूसरा लोगों को जो religion रखना है वो रख लो. You get that? And the state respects all the religions equally and does not uphold any one particular religion as state religion. That is India's secularism. In fact, that is not secularism. अगर आप technically समझने की कोशिश करो, because secularism means complete separation of state and church. Here the state is not separated from religion. Here the state says that we respect all the religions equally. Do you get that? And all the religions equally and does not uphold any one particular religion as the state religion. So it is not secularism, it is pluralism. Because in the West, there is a kind of animosity towards religion. The state has some kind of animosity towards religion. In India, state has affinity towards the religion, but all the religions and in an equal manner. Do you get it? So India, secularism is not secularism, it is actually pluralism. It means coexistence, peaceful coexistence of all the religions side by side. Do you get it?